Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. I'm your host Nestor, and today we are installing some more carbon fiber goodies from our friends over at Unit17 Autostyling. Now, before we take a look at the box, we gotta talk about the M2 because this thing is absolutely dirty, guys. I've been driving this thing for the past 2 weeks and the weather's been pretty bad, so a lot of built up grime and debris on the car. I don't want to install carbon with it looking like that, so we gotta give this thing a wash. Then we're gonna take a look at what we got inside the box. Okay, so the car is fully washed. I'm kind of sad I didn't get to do the rims because we are losing daylight. And I'm just going to let it sit there for a bit. I still have to dry it, but I want to show you guys what we were sent by Unit17 Autostyling. We have the t-shirt. Thank you for sending me this because the last one was massive on me. I think it was an XXL. Check that out. Whose car is that, baby? We had a Toronto red M2 right there. We got a blue Alpine white. Great choices. And then a hoodie, kind of the same deal. You know, it's got Unit17 Autostyling on the front. And then on the back, we have that same kind of design. So cool. Now, they actually sent me two different items that we're going to be installing on the car. But today, we're just going to be doing one of them. Let me put this to the side. And actually, let me go ahead and put this hoodie on. And just like that, we got the new hoodie on. Looks and feels absolutely awesome. Anyways, let's go ahead and open up, unbox the very first piece that we're going to be installing on the car today. It is a rear piece. This is an M Performance style piece. So, you know, it's basically the exact same as M Performance, except instead of getting charged $2,000, it is probably a quarter of the price. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. There it is. Oh, and it's a one piece? So a lot of manufacturers were doing this in a two-piece design. Wow, Unit17 did it in a one-piece design. I'm actually a massive fan of that. Hell yes. So this is gonna sit right beside the rear reflectors, and it's gonna go down and kind of give this car a different look from the backhand side. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't know if this is going to look good on the car or if it's gonna look a little off on the car. Yeah, I think it's gonna look good because red and carbon fiber just go together really nicely. But on different colors, maybe it doesn't work, maybe it does. We'll see. So far, all I know is that I'm very happy that this came in a one-piece design. You know, I saw other manufacturers and they had a two-piece design. I was really worried about, you know, if you'd be able to see the line between the carbon fiber and if the fit and finish wasn't perfect. So the fact that they do this in the one piece is freaking awesome. As you can see, they give you guys tons of 3M tape on the backhand side, so it should adhere really nicely. And again, this weighs absolutely nothing. And if you guys have seen my front lip video from Unit17 Autostyling as well, you would know that I have a discount code with them as well. If you guys want to save an additional 10% off basically anything on their website, you can use code DailyDownshift, and that'll just give you guys a nice saving. And I think right now they also have a sale on their site for Black Friday, or it might just be kind of like a seasonal savings. And you can combine my discount code with those savings and just get a really sick deal on this stuff. Let's go ahead and do a quick little test fitting. I know it's dark, guys. We might actually postpone this video until tomorrow so we get some better daylight, but I just want to get a sneak peek of how this is going to look on the backhand side of the car. This is kind of what it's going to look like. I don't want to put it on directly because it is wet, but check that out. What do you guys think? Just from a little intro, a little test fit here. It's not on perfectly, but kind of stepping back and looking at it on camera, I think it's gonna look really sick. It's gonna match the spoiler that we have, the emblem, and if we do get a diffuser in carbon fiber in the future, I think it's gonna look really badass. Okay, change of plans. We're actually going to install it today, but I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of B-roll and outside shots tomorrow because I don't know if it'll do it justice. Okay, I just took this in, but these could totally double as a hockey stick. Check this out. I don't want to get it too close to the ground and absolutely scratch the crap out of it, but yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna wipe it down with some alcohol wipes that I have here. And then we're gonna dry it off, even though we probably don't have to because alcohol kind of dries on its own very quickly. Let's just get that all in there, in the corners, the top, everywhere. Okay, that should do nicely. I don't know why, but I just got super nervous. I hope this goes on easy. This is kind of a weird shape. I don't know, let's see. So all the strips are off. I'm just gonna have to, oh man, this is, I mean, it can only go on one way. Like, I think as long as I line up this kind of square area here, I think it's fine. I'm gonna push the carbon fiber as close to the plastic as I can. That's stuck in there nicely. All right, we're committing. We're committing it to it, ladies and gents. Oh yeah. Okay, I have to really push this on. I want to make sure none of the adhesive ever comes off. And I want it really nicely stuck on. So we're just gonna push it absolutely everywhere. Let me get my greasy paws off this beautiful carbon fiber here. That is wild. That is absolutely wild. I can't even take a step back because I'm in my garage to see what it looks like, but oh man. I think I like it because it matches the spoiler really, really nicely, and it kind of separates the back end. The back end was all like red and bulky. I think this is gonna do a really good job separating things. Okay, so I quickly just took a look at Autostyling's website, and honestly, they have a pretty massive sale going on right now. So if you guys do want to buy anything, definitely check them out now. I don't know if it's because of Black Friday or if it's just because it's a seasonal sale or whatnot, but they have like pretty aggressive discounts. That's insane. Like there's no other carbon fiber company that has products that are that high quality for that cheap of a price. So that's all I'm saying. And who doesn't like saving money? Now, I'm also super excited to announce that we're gonna have a lot of mods coming on this car very, very soon. Anyways though, so that's kind of my little prelude to all the content we have coming this winter. I already have a lot of packages in the mail coming my way, so there's gonna be a lot of videos on the M2, so get used to it. And then let's go ahead and see if we can place this piece on a little bit more easily. At the other side, I was a little nervous, but I think this side should be easier. I've already done it once. Gonna go ahead and stick it down. Stick it down, and then once this piece is in, then this kind of back piece can then get pushed on just like that. And there we go, man. Check that out, finished product. So I will say it looks a little odd with the diffuser. The diffuser is just this like super black chrome look. And then you got this carbon fiber on the side and a little bit of black here. So it is a little bit of a weird look here, but I'm looking at the spoiler. To me, that is just such a nice look. I can't wait to pull this thing out tomorrow and kind of get a nice clean shot of the back just to see what this kind of adds to the overall dimension and look of the car. I'm actually really surprised at how much I like it. So I wasn't sure if I would, but this looks absolutely incredible. And the angles aren't going to do it justice on camera because cameras have a little bit of a fisheye lens, but this looks incredible. Yeah, it definitely adds a lot to the car, guys. I think the reason why it doesn't look completely finished in terms of the back end is just because the diffuser's plastic, but we will be getting a carbon diffuser as well, and once that's on the car, the back end's gonna look absolutely amazing. There's a lot of really interesting geometry here. Here's a look from the side. This is my favorite angle with this carbon fiber. Just does so much to the kind of side back profile. Before, there was so much red here that it didn't really do the car anything, and you can really tell just how wide this car is now. I don't know if I've mentioned this already, but we might be getting a different styled carbon fiber spoiler pretty soon, so that's pretty exciting as well. I think it's going to be a more high profile one. This one doesn't sit too high, and I think I would like something a little more aggressive. Oh, and how could I forget, man, we got carbon fiber right here too. 1, 2, 3, and then in the near future, 4. So yeah, as I mentioned, guys, if you're interested in any of this carbon fiber stuff that I have on the car, go to Unit17 Autostyling US's website. Link will be in the description of this video. And of course, you can use my discount code to save 10% off everything. You can't beat that in my opinion. Oh, and then stay tuned, guys, because of course we do have a couple more installs coming for this car, you know, during this whole winter season. I'm not gonna spoil exactly what it is. That's the only kind of sneak peek you guys are gonna get. But the reason why I didn't do it in this video is because that's a little bit more of like a hard install. Like it's going to be a process, right? We can't just bang that out in a couple hours. It's going to be more guide styled, so if you guys are doing it yourself, you'll know exactly what to do. And yeah, with that being said, guys, I think that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, subscribe for more content and installs on the G87 M2, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.